So in this quick video, I just wanted to cover layers in Inkscape. So when we want to look at the layers in Inkscape, we will come across to the right-hand side here, down at the bottom, where we can see this layers button. We can press view layers, and you can see here that essentially we have at the moment just one single layer. If we press the eyeball, it will show and hide that layer. And then if we want to add a new layer, then we can add a new layer. We can give it a name. It's going to be above the current layer, and we can press add. And then you can see we've got layer 2 here as well. So now if I come to my square across here on the left and draw this square is now on layer 2. So now that means that when I press this eyeball, it's going to hide it. With this box selected, I can select a different color for the box, for the fill of the box. And I can also then obviously move it around. And if we bring it above the type here, you can see with these layers, if I highlight this, I can move this layer down and it will move below that other layer. So we've got some simple organization tools in here as well. If we select layer 1 now, which is our type layer, then we can modify the opacity here. You can see we've also got this option to blur that layer as well, and obviously we can keep adding new layers. If you have any questions about layers, then let me know. Otherwise, I hope this tutorial was useful.